Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma, addressing concerns regarding the communication received from the banned HNLC group, emphasized a firm stance against any actions disrupting the state's peace. In response to the alleged threat by the HNLC regarding the shooting incident involving former leader Cheristerfield Thangkhiew, Sangma underscored the government's commitment to maintaining law and order. He highlighted the continuous efforts of the police department in monitoring and addressing any potential threats to the peaceful environment in the state.
The police, as you must have seen, has been very, very active in the past, and a lot of arrests have been made. A lot of different kind of threats that were there have been neutralized, and police is working overtime to ensure that all the people who are involved in these kind of activities of disturbing the peace and law and order in the state, strong action will be taken against them. So therefore, we will not leave anything to chance. And even before, in fact, speaking to you now, we had a security meeting, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and in charge Home, DGP, Chief Secretary and Secretary Home. We were all in the room and we were discussing about the different situations. And so we are very much obviously on the job, and we're ensuring that whatever the case may be, everybody is involved or trying to disrupt the peace, we will take necessary action against them.